Hello everyone, let's learn how to assign grades to the marks in MS Excel 2013. Let's start. Here you can see the table in which name of the student, test 1 marks, test 2 marks, total and grades. All these columns are there. First we are going to find out the total of two tests. So formula for that is equal to cell address of 20 plus cell address of 23 and press enter and just drag it down. So in this way you can find out the total of all the marks. Find out the grades of the marks. Let's see first criteria of the grade. If the child score the marks in between 50 to 40, he will get A grade. If the child scored the marks in between 39 to 30, he will get a B grade. If the child score the marks in between 29 to 20, he will get C grade. If marks are below 20, it will be displayed as fail. So these are the criteria of your grades. Based on your marks which you have scored, you will get the grades. Click on the cell where you want to display the grades. So here our cell is F5. So we are going to start writing the formula by using if condition. So equal to if, then we are going to compare. So our total marks is in E5 cell. So click on that. So if total marks is greater than or equal to 40, if this condition is true, then you have to display A grade. So we are going to write A in double inverted comma. If this condition is false, so what we are going to do? We are going to set the another condition by using if block. So again you have to write if, then take the next condition by clicking on the total E5 cell again. So if the total marks is greater than or equal to 30, comma, what you have to display? B grade. If this condition is false, so what you will do? Add another if block and then again compare with the total marks. So our total marks is in E5 cell. Click on that and add the comparison operator, that is total marks is greater than or equal to 20, then comma, and again double inverted comma. In that what you will write? C grade. If this condition is also false, so what you will write? Fail. Okay, here three opening brackets are there, so make sure you are going to close it. So three closing brackets should be there. Then click on enter and just drag it down. So all that formula will get copied to remaining cell and you will get your result. Okay, so you can see the grades scored by the first child. So he has scored A grade as his marks, total marks are 43, which fall in the range of 50 to 40. Then second child scored 34 marks, which fall in the range of 39 to 30. That's why he got B grade. Next child, Mohan, he scored C grade as his marks was in between 29 to 20. Last is Sham. He scored 19 marks, so which is below 20. So he got fail grade. According to the marks, grades are assigned. So in this video we have seen how to assign the grades by using nested if. You understand. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.